Hello everyone, this is M&M Outdoors here, doing you a quick update on the Lil Hooker. I know I haven't been on a lot lately, but I've been really busy, and I apologize for that. I've been painting this little girl. Got a new trailer for her. Well, it's not new, but I bought a trailer for her and redid it. Everything on it's new. Dog seems to like it, Zoe. Went with Battleship Gray and Blue. You guys have seen that earlier. Just got done painting the inside. Got the motor mounted. If anybody has any idea what I need to get to take off the lime and scum, I'd be really appreciative. I'd like to get that looking a little better. The guy I bought it from had it on a pontoon, and it just sit in the water all the time. But like I said, I just got done painting the inside. I still got to wire it up, as you can see. 10 minutes ago, I just got done painting the inside, the second coat. You got to put a platform in the front and put 3 seats in it. Get her all buttoned up here. It's taking me some time, but it'll be worth it in the end. I think the color scheme turned out good. It matches the motor pretty good. I still got to get a trolling motor for the front. She's 17 foot. Should make a pretty nice boat. Video don't do it no justice. It's a lot bigger than what the video is showing. So, getting one step closer. Thanks. Later.